Am I the only one who gets frustrated when remote start just refuses to work? Let's figure it out, fast. First, check your key fob battery. A weak battery is the most common culprit. Swap it out if it's old, then try again. Next, make sure all doors, the hood, and the trunk are fully closed. The Explorer's remote start won't work if anything's open, even just a little. Still no luck? Check if your check engine light or service engine light is on. The system automatically disables remote start if it detects an engine problem. Fix any issues before you try again. Don't forget about your car's settings. Head to the vehicle menu on your dashboard screen. Make sure remote start is actually enabled. If you're parked somewhere with lots of signal interference, like a crowded lot, try standing closer to the vehicle. One more thing. If you've tried starting too many times in a row, the system may lock you out temporarily. Wait a few minutes, then give it another shot. If none of that works, your best bet is to consult your manual or visit a Ford dealer. Remote start is super handy when it works. Now you know what to check the next time your Explorer doesn't start remotely.